This is the question of, it's a bit old question, 2009 October November paper 1-2, and the question number is 8. So here the diagram shows two spherical masses approaching each other head on. That means they are colliding somewhat like this at an equal speed u. So both of them have the same speed u, exactly in opposite directions. One has mass twice m and the other has a mass m only. So this is the situation before the collision, and it says which diagram showing the situation after the collision shows the result of an elastic collision. So if there is elastic collision, we have to find what happens after this collision. So in elastic collision, one of the principles that we have is the relative velocity of approach before collision should be equal to the relative velocity of separation after the collision. So velocity of approach and velocity of separation should be same. But here in choice number D, since they stick together, there is no separation at all. So this cannot be a correct choice. So first let us avoid this choice number D. Now going to other choices, let's first find what is the velocity of approach. So velocity of approach is equal to, we write it as u1 minus u2, that's equal to, so this is u1 u and this is u2, so it should be minus u, because this formula has been derived assuming that both of them go to this side, but here this thing is going to the opposite, so that's why it is minus u. So that's equal to 2u. So the relative velocity of approach is 2u. Now let us see which one among these cases give the value 2u. So the velocity of separation will be, so v of separation, in this condition it will be v2 minus v1, so it is a v2 minus v1, so it should be equal to, for this choice number A, we have to have v2 is 5u by 3 minus v1, so since v1 the velocity is going like this, it must be minus u by 3. So should be equal to 5u by 3 plus u by 3 equal to 3 common, 5u plus u equal to 6u by 3 equal to 2u. So the velocity of separation here is same, so this should be the correct choice. Choice number A should be the correct choice. Let's go through other choices as well. So if I go to choice number B here, let's see. In choice number B, so this is for choice number A. For choice number B, it will be somewhat like this. So v2 minus v1 will be equal to 2u by 3 minus u by 6. So that's equal to 2u by 3 plus u by 6, that's equal to 6. This is 4u plus u equal to 5u by 6. So this is definitely not equal to 2u, so it can't be a correct choice. Now if I go to C, so because of lack of space here I am writing here, if I go to the choice number C, it should be this v2 minus v1 is equal to 2u by 3 minus simply u by 6. So since both are going to this direction, it is simply v2 minus v1, and that will be equal to, this is 6, 4u minus u equal to 3u by 6 equal to u by 2. So here's 2u, u by 2, so this is not correct, this is also not correct, and this is the correct choice.